Hello everyone, welcome to another video session from Confins Global here in Charlotte, North Carolina. Today we are going through this important question: how can you monetize your mobile app? So there are 5 major ways you can monetize your app. Let's go through that one by one with an example. First and foremost, in-app purchases. What in-app purchases does is, if you play games like PUBG or Fortnite, which is going through a lot of craziness right now, it's on the media for all the wrong reasons. Like, if you can actually enable the customer, the end user, to actually have buy, different tokens or different levels, on a game or any kind of thing, then that is actually in-app purchases. The second model is a subscription, and everybody know what a subscription is. Like, you have a subscription with Netflix or Hulu, like you are an OTT platform or any platform where you can actually have the customer pay you monthly, and they can actually use that app to solve whatever, whether it's entertainment or anything of that matter. The third one is to give somebody a free app, a completely free app, then you actually show like ads. To remove ads, you might actually charge, a fee. That is actually, how you make money out of it. So you have third-party advertisements coming into your app, and to remove that, you will actually make money, or from those ad vendors, actually you make money. A fourth one is, you actually charge a fee for downloading the app, which is really common on the App Store. Like, for example, if you look at an app like Facetune, that's exactly what they do. You have to pay X dollars to download the app, and if you move from one iPhone to another or one Android phone to another, you can always reclaim your purchase. So you actually paid for a product and you always have it. The last, not the least, the fifth one is a freemium model. A freemium model is where you can actually use most of the features on the app, but you're actually limited at some point where if you want to use it further, then you have to pay. The best example is Tinder. So a dating app like Tinder, they let you use it. But if you want to contact someone, when you're swiping right, and if you want to talk to someone, or if you want to, unlock some features, then on the freemium version, you have to pay a fee. So I hope that when you're building your dream app, you actually think about monetizing. There are 5 methods like we went through this video to monetize your app. Technically, at the end of the day, unless you are not a charity, you have to monetize the app somehow. I really hope these videos are helpful. If you like it, please like and share. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.